How to make money through freelance writing. Welcome to our channel, your source for personal finance advice. In today's video, we'll explore how you can earn money through freelance writing, regardless of your location or background. Freelance writing offers a flexible and rewarding way to monetize your writing skills. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you'll be on your way to building a successful freelance writing career. Topic 1. Choosing your niche. When starting as a freelance writer, it's important to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. By focusing on a specific subject, such as technology, finance, travel, or health, you can position yourself as an authority in that area. This specialization will help attract higher-paying clients who are looking for writers with in-depth knowledge. For example, if you have a background in finance, you can target clients who need articles on personal finance, investing, or budgeting. By showcasing your expertise and demonstrating a deep understanding of the niche, you'll be able to command higher rates and secure more freelance writing opportunities. Topic 2. Building your portfolio. A strong portfolio is essential for freelance writers, as it showcases your writing style and abilities to potential clients. Even if you're just starting, there are several ways to build a compelling portfolio. 1. Guest blogging. Contribute articles to popular blogs in your niche. This allows you to reach a wider audience and establish credibility as a writer. 2. Personal blog. Create your blog to showcase your writing skills. This provides a platform to share your expertise, attract clients, and demonstrate your commitment to writing consistently. 3. Spec work. Create writing samples specifically tailored to your target clients. For example, if you want to write for technology companies, create articles or case studies related to the tech industry. Building a diverse and well-rounded portfolio will help you stand out in a competitive freelance writing market and increase your chances of landing high-paying gigs. Topic 3. Finding freelance writing opportunities. To start making money as a freelance writer, you need to find clients who are willing to pay for your services. Here are some effective strategies to find freelance writing opportunities. 1. Freelance platforms. Sign up on reputable freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients seeking freelance writers and provide a secure payment system. 2. Job boards. Explore job boards dedicated to freelance writing, such as ProBlogger, freelancewriting.com, or Blogging Pro. These websites often list various writing gigs across different industries. 3. Networking. Attend industry events, join writing communities, and engage with professionals in your niche. Networking can lead to valuable connections and potential writing opportunities. Remember, persistence and proactive outreach are key to finding freelance writing gigs. Be proactive in showcasing your skills, submitting proposals, and reaching out to potential clients. That concludes our guide on how to make money through freelance writing. By choosing a niche, building a strong portfolio, and actively seeking writing opportunities, you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable venture. Stay tuned for more personal finance tips on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates.